Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a parkour playground in Tinkercad. Let's get started. First, to get on Tinkercad, you're gonna go on to your Chrome, search up Tinkercad, and then you can sign in by yourself. I've already signed in, but it's pretty easy. So then now I've already made this, so so it might be a little complex for you, but I'm counting on you. So first let's press create and press 3D design. And then you have to wait and it will start loading. And now the first thing you're gonna do to make this very complex shape is you're gonna make this fat, very fat. And now I'm gonna get, oh, not that one. Whoops. What? What? Uh, I duplicated that. Now you're gonna get this shape. You might wonder why I like that. That's because this is called a hole, and you can use it to cut shapes. So this is solid. Now it's red like this one. We'll use hole for this one. I'll tell you how you can use this to cut shapes later because we're doing that. So first let's just do this. Make this area, and then you wanna hold alt to make it the same size on each area. And now you're gonna get this, duplicate. I'm making this huge. You don't have to make it huge, honestly. You literally do not. You do not at all. It's your choice. You can make it huge like me. I like making things huge. That's why I'm making it huge. So now you're gonna group select by clicking somewhere blank and then dragging it like this. And now you see this, it's called a group. You can press Control G or just click on it and then it'll go like that and we have our base. Now what we're gonna do is use this, whatever I call it, I like to call it the turner, to turn or flip this around. And then now we're gonna go with this for now. And then we're gonna make a rope over here to climb up. And then we're gonna make a cube and stuff. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the sketch tool and now just make it up. That's it. Done. And you can make this larger or wider. And then you can make this like up, and you could drag this a cube up, and now you can get this up. And now if you want to make it a little trickier, then you can make this like that, because that's very tricky. You would have to jump and then you would have to hold on and climb up. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get one of these to help, just to help, because what they want to do is have something to hold on after. If they're slipping, then that'll help them get up. That kind of looks like a house, honestly. Now when they're up here, what you want them to have another challenge, so it would be more challenging. So you're gonna drag around the roof, put this right over here at the end, and then drag it like this. And then you can make this complex if you want. You can skip this part if you want. So how you're gonna make this all complex, you can drag this cone, and then they would have to squish between them. Now you can duplicate this with this duplicate button. You can either press Control D or just press it and then it'll duplicate, so you can get another one of it. Then I'm only gonna keep doing this. You can stop doing it at any point if you want. Then I'm gonna leave just a little space so they have to squeeze through, and then they just whoop fall down. It's very complicated. Now let's get another cube, and we need this to be big and white, like a mattress, so then it saves the people when they fall. Cause you do not want them getting injured. Like literally, you do not want people going to the hospital because of you. You'll go to jail. Now let's put this. Try to get it right if you need to. Try to get it in a good position so that it's correct. And then when you click over here, you might see those blue lines, but we can do something with that. We can go like this, and now it's better. Now what you want to do this time is that you want to make this. Oh, I moved it. You want to make this like that, and you're going to hold this little dot, and you're going to move it all the way back here. Whoops, again. Okay, that's better. Now we need the sketch tool again, and just make a dot. That's it. And now this time you actually want to make this a little bit like over here, and then you want to make a rope, and then you want to get this sketch tool. Don't blame me, but I have no idea what I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. Why am I even doing this? I could just make a cube. I need a tiny cube. Finish, sketch. And now I have this cube. I want it like this because I can get a good color. That you can change your color actually if you want. But I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna make this like this. And then you might want to make this a little higher. Move it over here. And now you need something that they can grab onto. So what we're gonna do for this part is we're gonna get another cube. Oh my gosh. Okay, time to delete that. And now you wanna push it up and move it straight into here so that they can get on it. And now you really, really wanna make it small. You wanna make it pretty small. And now you go up, drag this little button this way and down. Now they can hold on to it like when they get up. So that would be great. Because then, oh my god, now they need to get down. Okay, for getting down, we need to make another platform. So let's just group select all of this so that it moves all together. Make sure you selected everything because then it's not gonna like move all together. Now we need another platform for when they get up there. So what you want to do this time is you want to use the sketch again. So let's put this down here and make a huge block. Like from up here, right to here, to here. Maybe we could do a rectangle because that would be much better. Rectangles are better for platforms. Maybe I'll make this like that. And now, that's our rectangle. Finished sketch. And now you can go like this. And they can jump down and be saved. Maybe we should actually make this a little bigger. And then we're going to make this like this. And now you can change the color to whatever color you want. I'm going to pick white or black. You can choose that. But I'm picking white for sure. And that's how you're gonna make the parkour playground. Bye!